This is a big shout out to J.A. and Carlos. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm on my way to Cecil's house, to a little update there. If you guys remember where Letitia used to live, this is her old surroundings, and then her stilt house is right over there across the little river. This is where they're bringing all the bulldozers and the machinery through here. And they're making a path coming through here. And eventually, that's where the big, you know, the electric tower is going to go. And that's the reason why they're moving everyone out of here. But that's just some behind the scenes. So I was wondering how they're gonna get all the machinery out of there, but this is how they do it. They just make their own path, and then you can hear the machinery over there. So probably somewhere in there will be the big tower eventually. I'm gonna go walk over there to Cecil and we can do a little update there. All right guys, so we made it to Cecil's new land. I'll turn around so you guys can see. Hey guys, what's up? Looking good. Hey guys, I just got out of the doctor. It was my checkup today. I think it's like month 3 or 4. And he told me that month 6 is when you're pretty much back to normal. I can lift again, I can play basketball. I can play basketball now, but I just have to take breaks and take it kind of easy. But he said between 6 months and a year is when, you know, things get to start to go back to normal. But so that's kind of the update for that. I kind of knew what he was going to say because we talked about it last time. But now from here, I'm going to go meet Daddy Lou. His prosthetic leg is finished. I got a text message about that. So from here, I'm gonna go pick up Daddy Lou, and then we're gonna ride together to go pick up his leg. And then, so that's good news. So I guess I'm just gonna take off, and I'll see you guys there.
I'm making a hole so that I can put these blind rivets.
How long have you been doing this, Alex?
Only a year, maybe.
A year, really?
Yeah. Before I was employed here, but not as a prosthesis technician, but maintenance.
Ah, so what made you decide to start doing prosthetic legs?
No, the HR, the office recommended me to, since this position was vacant, because the other person who is doing this prosthesis was ill.
Okay.
And the position was vacant.
Wow.
They recommended me.
You picked it up pretty quickly. Just a year.
Yeah,
That's...
maybe because sometimes my knowledge in maintenance helped me to adapt.
Helped you prepare.
Yeah, like this one, this is a wood. Making up this with carbine.
So you kind of dealt with a lot of these things before, so it was kind of like the preparation was your maintenance, and then
yeah,
you came here kind of had to
some
practice.
areas, like when I was working in West Africa.
West Africa?
Yeah.
What were you doing in West Africa?
I was a maintenance there, and at the same time sewing machine mechanic.
Ah, okay.
Then there are sometimes in doing dress apparel.
A what?
Dress apparel or
Oh, for like outfits and...
garments.
Okay.
Factory.
All right.
Sometimes I repaired some mannequins, and mannequins are made up of this one.
Yeah, it's kind of like the same material almost. Wow.
Yeah. Also, I do some research on the YouTube, like the therapies, physical therapies. I want to spread this knowledge to some others, because mostly some Filipinos cannot afford to have this one.
Yeah.
That's why if I give it to put it in the YouTube, maybe they can learn something.
Yeah. It'd be nice, like, because the more people that know,
Yeah.
they can do it on their own maybe, or at least with lower cost.
At least they can make it the cheapest.
Yeah. Because if you guys haven't seen the other videos, we tried to find this at other places, and it was like over 100,000 pesos.
Yeah.
More than that. So
60,000 maybe.
yeah, so they get very, very pricey.
And here, this is only 4,500, and I can say lifetime repair.
Lifetime repair.
Especially this one.
Nice, so that's good to know. So it's 4,500, and it's pretty much lifetime. If we ever have anything problems, we can come back.
They can come back here anytime.
That's good to know. All right, so Alex doesn't yet have a YouTube channel, but he has a Facebook.
Yeah.
What is your Facebook name? And he has some instructional videos on his Facebook. If anybody's interested in that.
I forgot the, I think Umali Martinez.
Okay, I'll make sure he writes that down for me, and I'll put it right here for you.
I will send it there.
Okay.
sure there's no sharpened parts of this blind rivets. Okay, this is how to put the prosthesis. It. Then stamp your prosthesis down. Wrap the belt. 1, 2. Okay. Just in case you want to see, just set it back. It has, move. Okay. Next one, your weight shifted here. Kaya mo, kanira itukod. Alala, pumunta, buragana lang.
Pasahon ko kayo ko kita.
Hina lang. Yan, okay, but down. Alam mo na, you know now how to shift your weight from left, center, to right. Magdare, center, and then right. Step forward. Move a little your body. Slowly changing or moving your gravity from this side to your prosthesis.
Hi. Hey guys, we just made it back.
Hi.
This is Zaya and Ella. I don't know if you remember them from last time. Oh no!
Afraid of your face?
Oh, I'm afraid of my face mask. Well, they were here last time, and Ella has been a very big help. I've been contacting her to contact Daddy Lou. So I just want to say thank you very much.
It's okay.
And Daddy Lou, I have two very generous people are the ones responsible for your leg, for your prosthetic leg. This is a big shout out to J.A. and Carlos. They had a total of $7,900 and the leg was $4,500. So that's remaining of $3,400 that goes to you. So this is yours. Yeah, this is for you. I didn't have change, so I'm gonna give him $3,500. I didn't have change. So this is $3,500. And that's for you.
Ina.
Oh, wait.
No, I can say my lessons for Ina.
Well, Ella.
Thank
Thank you for your help, and this is extra $2,000 for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Thank you for your help.
Thank you very much for this.
Without her, I couldn't do it. So it's very, very thank you to you.
you.
Hey, this is a big thank you to J.A. and Carlos. J.A. and Carlos.
Just tell him that I and Ila heartily give thanks to them for the financial.
Hey, you're very welcome. You guys are great
Thank you very
people.
much for this. This is a big help.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I can help.
Thank you.
We really appreciate your help, and it's really good.
You're the angel of our life.
Yes.
The blessings that you give to us, God will just repay you.
Hey, it's.
We cannot repay you, Ila and me. We cannot repay you.
I don't need a repayment. The repayment is just being nice to me and talking with me. So I enjoy meeting you.
I always pray for you. We will always pray for you.
I appreciate that.
Take good health. Take good care while you are anywhere you are.
Thank you very much. I really do appreciate that. But it's a nice looking leg. How does it feel? Today he was practicing walking, but he does need a lot of practice. So from this week...
According to Sir Alex, you can practice up to 12 hours.
12 hours?
Oh,
12
I
hours
told
a
him,
day.
okay, tonight, this afternoon, from 5 o'clock to 11. Tomorrow morning, from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Just non-stop?
Non-stop
Oh.
practice. You can walk that 1 week.
Just don't hurt yourself. Just take it
Just a
easy, you
little.
know. Do a little bit at a time and kind of work your
If I
way
get
up.
tired, relax.
Yeah, a little bit more each day until your leg feels more comfortable where you can, you know, feel better. Because it's going to take a while. This is not something you're going to be able to do overnight. This is going to be like months and months
It
of
takes
practice. And,
it takes a month. You have to balance yourself so that you can walk.
yeah. What's the biggest?
2 months, 3 months, or 4 months.
Yeah, when you stand up right now,
exercising.
when you stand up right now, what's the biggest challenge? Just staying stable, the balance? Is that the biggest challenge right now?
Yeah, the biggest challenge is how to balance.
Balance, yeah. How long?
When I to walk, no problem, because I have the crutches to assist it.
Yeah,
The only problem is to balance.
the balance. How long has it been? How long ago did you lose your leg? How many years?
This one,
Yeah.
I did not ask Sir Ali.
Almost 2 years.
I mean, like when he lost his leg?
Yeah. Kato-kaputa na nila 2 years na nila. 2 years na.
I was amputated last September 27,
Oh,
2016.
2016. Okay, so
2016.
2016. Okay, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22.
Five,
That's like
5 years.
5 years.
almost 6 years.
Six years.
5 or
6
6
years
years.
something.
Okay. So this is not something he's gonna be able to learn right away. So you have to just take your time slowly, but keep at it each day. Each day, just try to do just a little bit. All right.
Thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome, and thank you to everybody. This is a big thank you to everybody. I'm very lucky to have an awesome YouTube community. But we will see him again next week.
Next week.
So-
after next week, no more seeing.
You never know, but I hope so. I hope we get to see you again. But it might be.
Anyway, I have already finished helping Daddy Lo. I will not see him anymore.
That'll be a very sad day. I hope we get to meet again, but you never know. So I know where you live though. So, but I just want to say thank you to everyone, and I guess we'll say goodbye now. On the way home, we got some Jollibee.
Very gutom na. Very hungry na.
Very hungry. Yeah. On the way home, he's like, I'm very hungry.
Coffee and two pieces pandesal.
Really? Well, that's gonna taste
That's
very
why I
good.
told you nga.
I've noticed the more hungry you are, the more better the food tastes.
Siya yung ko, kaon sa dito po na, diri lang ko, huwat lang ko. Di man sa pasuro pungkol.
But alright guys, it's really good seeing you guys. We'll probably see them next week again, and hopefully it's not the last time, but it might be for a while. So we'll see you guys later. So bye bye, see you guys tomorrow.